lighter female Shih Poo is available, and the black female Shih Poo is available. The white one is a full poodle, and she will become available in about 2 or 3 weeks, but not right now. What is it that we just had a bath?